Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce our sleek and modern sliding door designs. With its smooth, effortless glide, this door adds a touch of contemporary flair to any space. Crafted from high quality material, it boasts clean lines and minimalistic style, perfect for both residential and commercial settings. The slim frame maximizes natural light while the customizable options allows you to tailor the design to suit your aesthetic preferences. Whether dividing rooms or creating seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces, a sliding door is the epitome of functionality and elegance. I hope these designs are useful for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.